If there's one nude guy, okay, he might be drunk or confused, but if there's two nude people, well, that's a nude beach in my book. And it's rather awkward now. It's awkward because I had the drone out earlier and I'm just flying the drone, you know, and now I feel like a complete got these bikes, we haven't really taken them on like an adventure, you know, like we didn't have that like initial excursion. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to the beach, and the beach is like kind of far, so unlock the bikes. Good news, the bikes are still here.
Woohoo!
Right, Chase?
Yep.
Unlock the bikes, head to the beach, have a picnic.
Try not to get sunburnt.
Did that yesterday.
Yeah. This is apparently beach access number 2, public beach access. The Tulum area is just littered with beach clubs, but in Mexico you can't actually own the beach. You can just own the land that backs up to it. So they've created these kind of like these land locks that make it challenging to get to the beach if you're not part of the beach club area. As we are not, because, well, beach clubs are $5 US beers and $20 cheeseburgers, and like a minimum consumption.
That's just not what we're into. There's a naked lady over there. And that was awkward. Caitlin apparently took us to a nude beach.
It's not on purpose, I promise you that. There's no signs anywhere.
If there's one nude guy, okay, he might be drunk or confused, but if there's two nude people, well, that's a nude beach in my book. And it's rather awkward now. It's awkward because I had the drone out earlier and I'm just flying the drone, you know, and now I feel like a complete pervert.
Again, there's no signs.
Chase, keep your pose on. So Caitlin, how was your experience at the Nude Beach? Go and put your shoes on, Chase.
Well, didn't quite expect that. Kind of came out of nowhere. But the beach itself was okay. A lot of sarcasm and a lot of other stuff going on.
It's one of those things that's totally acceptable when you don't have your 5-year-old with you. Other than that, it is what it is. Kayla and I have been to nude beaches before. It's not that big of a deal.
Nude beach.
Yeah. We just making it back to our hotel. Made a ginormous circle. We no one crashed yet, just a bonus, just a great thing. And got to see some cool stuff. Got to see some unique beaches. And we got to experience Tulum, which was pretty amazing.